Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. Today we're doing the unboxing for Transformers Dark of the Moon as a 2-disc combo Blu-ray and DVD. The digital copy is a download link. Before anything, you should know that this release is bare bones. It has no special features whatsoever, and the reason why is that Paramount is gonna release this title once again in a 3D edition, hopefully with all the bonus material we're craving for. It comes with a really nice slipcover. It's exactly the same design, but I know most of you like to collect this. Let me show you. It's all embossed, everything, the name, really nice, fantastic. Here's the back, exactly the same. So let's open this. Here's the download link for the Transformers, of course. Here's $10 off for you to repurchase this once again in a 3D. So let's see, you just spent here $20, now this movie's gonna be probably $30, less 10 is gonna be 20, so fantastic, $40 for a movie. Thanks Paramount. So $10 off your next purchase of this movie, same movie in 3D, just because of the never before seen exclusive bonus content. Now that's pretty deceiving, that's why I told you in the beginning. So here we have, as you can see, there's no design, no artwork, very plain. The Blu-ray is blue and the DVD is gray. It is an eco-friendly case and comes with a back design. As you can see, it looks way better with a new case. Here's the Blu-ray, region free, and here's the DVD, region 1. And comes with English, Dolby True HD 7.1, just making sure it is not DTS Master Audio, it's Dolby True HD 7.1, as well as English, French, Portuguese, and Spanish Dolby Digital 5.1. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more Blu-ray updates right here at Blue Collection. Oh wait, since they're gonna make us double dip in this edition, let me destroy a case.